everyone, it's Marnie and Chris, and we're coming at you with part 2 of our Japanese haul. Taste testing food and yummies. Let's get this started. So, I want this one. No, I want this one. You do that one. What flavor is that one? Careful, the top is going to fall off. Mine is orange flavor.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate. Okay, so we take the lids off, and you take the little piece off. And then you put the little piece that you took apart and put it right there. It's so hard. I have to go to put it on the table to do it. Woo! Uh-oh, mine is going over. Oh, something just got delivered. Orange flavor.
Pomegranate.
Okay, let me try yours.
Dripping.
Yeah, because they were in the fridge and now they're sweating.
I like the orange.
I like the pomegranate, and I normally like orange most. Okay, let's try the other soda that we have. This is Coca-Cola. This is orange vanilla. Orange vanilla is my favorite, and it's sweating also. Orange vanilla is my favorite when, you know how they have those Coke vending machines that you can pick the flavors you want and mix and match? Years, or I guess it's been 2 years now. Woo! I always did the vanilla orange Coke, and then they came out with vanilla orange Coke in a bottle. But this is the Japanese one. Tastes just like the American one, the orange vanilla Coke, which I like.
Yep.
Very good. Woo, it's my favorite. Okay, so, well, since you're touching that one, let's do these.
These are like...
They're like drumsticks, I think. They're like, I don't know. Let's open this up and see. I put lotion on my hands, so I have
Giant Complico.
Complico. Put lotion on my hands, and now I can't open anything.
It smells like berries.
Looks like an ice cream cone. Oh.
Are these the same flavor?
Yeah. I thought it was going to be like a moussey consistency, but no. What's wrong with that?
It's kind of like a... Kind of melts like white chocolate.
It's kind of like, you know those airy air chocolates, the air, what do they call Air something? They have little air bubbles in there.
It's got chocolate in the middle.
I like it.
It's alright.
Okay, I've had these before. Got these at Daiso before, but this time I got it at the Japanese market. These are delicious. I don't know if you've ever had these. I'll let you go ahead and do the honors, since I already know what they taste like.
Is it a cinnamon... What?
Caramel.
Caramel.
So yummy. It's like caramel popcorn without the little kernels in it. So yummy.
Kind of like they took cheese puffs and added caramel to it.
Okay. Let's do this. These are like the little Hello Kitty ones that you find in the supermarket, but this one is grape. Yay! First time trying the grape ones. I haven't tried the grape ones yet.
Smells like grape.
I got a grape center.
That's good.
I like the grape better than any. Well, I like the pineapple one too. Okay, up next. Let's do these. These are so cute. These are the Hello Panda. They're like little cookies. with fillings in it. Get a close up of that. Oh, cute little pink bag.
Japanese packaging is kind of fun.
They're very fun. I love Japanese packaging.
We were walking through the store and I felt like I was at a fireworks stand.
Uh-huh.
Just kind of, well, what does this one do? What does this one do?
So they got little, like, characters, like, stamped on there.
Hello Kitty.
That's not Hello Kitty.
Looks like it. Look at that.
The little pandas.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I just had a little... Look at this one. It's focusing on us.
it's got chocolate in it.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's alright.
You show the inside. Oh, this one's got strawberry. Strawberry on the inside. I thought it was chocolate too, but it's actually strawberry. I'll be eating those later. Lucky Stick. These are just like Pocky. But these are strawberry Lucky Sticks. We ate all the Pocky last time. For video number 1. If you want to check out video number 1, I'll put it down, the link down in the description. Check out our... Ooh, those are bigger than Pockies. Look at how big that is.
It's because you're lucky.
Oh yeah. I think I like these better than Pockies. What do you think of that?
Huh, good.
Okay. Let's stick with the sweet and then we'll do the savory. I think there's only 2 savory. Mochi. Mochi? He's like, you keep saying mochi, mochi, I don't know. I think it's mochi. It's mochi, I think it is. This is mocha. So, I think it's chocolate. I think it's chocolate. I think it's mocha. It's mocha chocolate. Mocha is like coffee and chocolate, right? Is that what that is? Or mocha is chocolate? I don't know. But this one, this mochi, has a center. And I think it's a chocolate center. Yum. Alright. Oh, they have they're individually like wrapped in little like cupcake. Oh. Go figure. I dropped. It's got little cupcake like papers. Ooh.
Feels very jello-y.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Not very sweet.
No.
So what do you think of these? I think I like the mango ones better. From last week.
I don't know, the texture, I just can't get past the texture. Don't care for it.
It's very gummy. I think that's what it is. Very gummy. So let's start with Jello. Let's do Jello. I think grape Jello is my favorite flavor. I mean, I like the lychee. I like the strawberry. I like, but I think grape. There's our dog.
These are the ones that you peel the top off.
That's hard. These are hard to peel for some reason. I don't know why. But grape is my favorite, and this is what it looks like.
It's got little bits and pieces of stuff in there.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, you were able to peel it? Oh. I always have a hard time peeling these things. Peel, please. They're so difficult. Why are they making them so difficult? How are kids supposed to peel it? If us adults can't peel it, how can kids peel it? What do they do? They probably use scissors.
I think you got lotion on that.
You want to try a different one? Here. I think you got lucky the first time. It wasn't very...
Here.
Thank you. Okay, now.
All right. You better open for me. I'm gonna be. All right.
You're gonna eat it?
No. You want another?
Sure.
Make sure you slurp it up. And she hates oysters.
Yeah. Check out my new shirt. It's just a bunch of hocus pocus. I found it on Amazon. So, yeah. All right, let's do this because I haven't never tried this. This is macadamia and pineapple brittle. Oh,
I like brittle.
I like macadamia nut and I like pineapple. Don't cut myself. It smells like coconut, actually. Let's get our laces out of there. This is what it looks like.
Just get a little piece.
Okay, so our battery died. So we were in the middle of trying these macadamia and pineapple brittles. Try it again. There is. Oh, these are big.
Yeah, look for a little one.
There is no little ones. Oh, there is. There's two little ones at the bottom of the thing.
Oh. Oh, it's got a little pineapple.
Yeah, there's
chunk
little.
in it.
Actually, you can't see it, but there's actually little pineapple pieces in there. And it's really good because I ate my last one. I like the little pineapple. Gives it
a chew.
Gives it a chew. Okay. We tried these last time. We're going to try it again, babe.
Okay.
They're the savory ones. Actually, you know what? Let's do the last candy before we go to the savory. Volcano popping candy. It's similar to the one I got at Five Below, I think. How do I open this?
I just like the way the package looks.
The package is cool. I like the packaging. Is there only one flavor? Strawberry. They're little tiny packages like this. They're not as intense. If it's the same kind as I got from Five Below, it's not as intense as like Pop Rocks. More sour though.
Just like Pop Rocks.
Not as, no, Pop Rocks has a more intense pop. I like it. Okay.
I drink soda with Pop Rocks.
These are the little, they're like Cheetos. They're like Cheetos or cheese puffs, but it has like a teriyaki flavor. And they have like a little hole in the middle. It's like a tubey.
It's a whistle.
I love these. You don't really care for them, huh?
Nope.
I love these. They're so good.
It has a.
What's weird is like,
It's got a fishy flavor to it to me.
oh, maybe that's why I like it. You like cheese puffs? I don't care for cheese puffs. I don't like the texture of it, but I like this. You like teriyaki sauce? I can take it or leave it, but I love this.
Is it like a? I can't read Japanese. It has some fishy. I don't know.
I don't know, but it's good. Last thing. This is potato chips. These are pizza potato chip flavor. Last time I was prepared and I brought scissors. This time I wasn't prepared. So let's try it. Open it that way. It doesn't smell like pizza. Just looks like a regular old, like, Ruffles potato chip.
It's got cheese on it. Oh, hide my face.
Mine didn't have cheese on it. What do you say cheese on it?
Mine had like little strands of cheese.
It's a little tangy. Kind of burns your tongue a little bit. You got lucky and got a strands of cheese one.
There you go. Nope.
So yummy. Anyways. That one have it?
A little bit.
Can you see the strands of cheese on there? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I guess there's a little bit.
These are like,
Okay. So what's your favorite?
I would have to say the potato chips, pizza potato chips.
Those are good. My favorite are the grape marshmallows.
Those are good too.
These are really good. Okay, so that's it. This is part 2 of 2 parts. If you want to check out the first part, like I said, it's in the description down below. And I think next time we'll do, because I have a request, couple requests, to do Mexican candy.
Ooh.
We do like our Mexican candy. We live here in Southern California, and it's pretty available for us, so we'll do that next time. Okay, until next time, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and you all take care. Bye, everybody.